Today, we're excited to introduce the Besiost over-the-toilet storage rack, a perfect space-saving solution for your bathroom needs. This freestanding organizer features a 7-tier design, complete with 2 fabric drawers and 4 hooks, providing ample space for all your essentials like toilet paper, soap, shampoos, and towels. Its reversible side shelf can be installed on either the left or right, making it adaptable to various bathroom layouts. The adjustable shelves allow you to customize the storage space, with a bottom area height of 35 or 39.4 inches to accommodate most toilet lids, and a bottom bar that can be set 4.7 or 9.4 inches from the floor to fit different toilets. Constructed from high-quality MDF board and sturdy metal frames, this organizer ensures durability and stability. Plus, it's easy to assemble with detailed instructions provided. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.